Where's the birdie? Guys, there's a birdie. Okay, guys. He's like coming towards me. Or
you
Mackenzie.
guys need to back up.
Wait, come on. Back up, Mackenzie.
Mackenzie, you don't back up.
I want a pet bird.
You want the bird to die?
No, I want a pet.
If he doesn't go back to the mall, that's what's going to happen.
I can't.
Look how cute it's hopping.
You guys need to back up so the bird can come and get it.
Oh my God! Look at the baby bird.
Wait, back up a little more.
Oh my God!
Can you zoom in?
Look.
Zoom in. See, now you can zoom in.
Oh my God! I just zoom in and I can see the baby. Oh my God!
It's just
going
hopping,
to
guys.
his mother. Look at the birds up there. It's going literally viral crazy up there. The birds are tripping right
Everybody's
there.
over there. Birds are
The baby's
chirping.
right there.
I've actually never seen. There's a robin. It's still
The
right
baby's
over there.
trying to get out.
See, look.
Back up.
The red
Back
bird.
up.
There's a
Back
red
up.
bird. I see the bird.
I need somebody to keep it nice and warm.
Come here, Gemma.
Oh God, I have to put this on YouTube.
Oh my God!
Guys, welcome. Come to my channel. Tegan and Mackenzie's channel.
Oh my God! The baby.
I can't see it. Wait, maybe we should move back a little more.
Oh my God!
You see the red bird, guys? The bird moved. That's the little bird, guys.
All right, back up. Back up.
Back up, back up.
The bird don't even care about the baby bird.
It does.
Wait, why is it not
Help
shake-
the baby
Because you guys
bird.
keep on talking.
Oh my God.
Not right now.
It moved, guys. Don't talk. Don't talk. Guys,
Back up.
Back up, Tegan.
that's what I'm doing. Guys, where'd it go? It's on the other side of the fence. I see it. I see it, guys.
Where's the baby bird?
I see it, I think.
It's on the ground right there, hopping, giant fly.
A robin is
Shh.
good, guys.
Shh. Come on, guys, just pick them. You have to stop talking. No.
They're trying to teach him how to fly.
Yeah, they did. They did. When I saw the baby bird, he was like, he flies up that tree. I saw it. He flies.
Hey, please go! There.
Where's the bird?
I see it on. Where's that bird is?
I'm getting so much
Wait,
footage.
the red one must be the dad and the gray one must be the mom.
What is it on?